Hello from Coldesi and Digital HeatFX. My name is Greg, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use our new Easy Peel one-step paper and utilizing it onto a couple of canvas 100% cotton bags. Now this one-step paper is ideally for light colored garments, for cotton, polyester, and blends, but it also works really great on canvas bags, and I wanted to show you how to do that today. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so I have my Easy Peel one-step paper here. You'll know you have your one-step paper by this beautiful green label on the box. And it is tabloid size, which is 11 by 17, just like our regular Easy Peel paper. And today I'm going to utilize our DFX 8432 white toner printer. So what I've done is I've loaded the paper into my multi-purpose tray with the print side face up and the green writing facing down. You always want to utilize the multi-purpose tray when you're printing from the 8432 printer. So make sure you have that loaded in there with the gray bar down and you're ready to print. So I'm going to go to my optimizer and load my images, and we're going to print out our logos for our canvas bags. So I'm printing out my transfer now onto my Easy Peel one-step paper. It's going to come out of the back of the 8432 printer. Alright, so I just printed out my two transfers that I'm going to put onto my cotton canvas bags with my one-step paper. Now I've used our Print Optimizer software, and to learn about how to create custom cues and to print from the optimizer using the one-step paper, you can check out our training video on our training website. So now I'm just going to trim these down and I'm going to go over to the heat press. Okay, so we're here at our Hotronix Fusion heat press, which is the recommended heat press that we do suggest for our Digital HeatFX system. This heat press is so versatile and it will give you the best results, so we definitely recommend using the Hotronix Fusion. If you do have another heat press, you might have to do some internal testing on your end to make sure you're doing everything correctly and that it works properly for you. So what I have is I have two canvas bags today. I have one that's just a little bit thicker and one that's a little bit thinner. So it might take a little bit of practice for you to get the ideal results when you're pressing with this one-step paper. I'm going to take my one-step transfer and I'm just going to lay it face down onto my garment. Line it up nice and straight wherever you want to position it on the bag. You could use heat tape if you'd like. It's definitely not required. And I'm just going to take my parchment or my finishing sheet and lay it right on top. And now this goes into the press at 340 degrees for 30 seconds. Okay, 30 seconds have elapsed. Just going to take my parchment and put it to the side. Wait about 8 seconds. And now just from one corner, be careful because it is going to be hot, and just simply peel away the A paper, like so. Beautiful. Alright, so we're just going to perform our finishing press like we normally do with our regular Easy Peel paper. So I'm just going to lay this back onto the platen, grab my parchment, and put it into the press for only about 15 to 20 seconds is all you need. And keep the pressure the same. 15 seconds. Just pull out our platen and remove the parchment paper. Okay, so for this second canvas bag, as I mentioned before, it is a little bit thicker of a canvas material than the first bag that we did. And what I'm also going to do is I'm going to swap out my full-size platen for a bit of a smaller platen, because these red straps, they're raised. So you want to make sure that you have a flat surface when you're pressing onto a substrate that does have anything extra on it, like a zipper or a handle or anything like that. You could utilize a Teflon pillow if you'd like. But since I have a smaller platen, I'm going to go ahead and swap it out, and I'm going to do that right now. Alright, so I have my smaller platen in place right now. I believe this is our 8x10 platen, so I have this ready to go on my press. So for this, what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to thread the bag onto the platen, so only one side of the bag will be applied with the heat press and have heat going to it. So I'm just going to thread this bag right onto the platen, and this is the perfect size for this print area. All right, so let's get this transfer on here. So I have my second transfer on here. We're going to do my I Love Summer design again because I love this logo. It's so bright and colorful, and it's perfect for a beach bag. So I'm just going to put this right down on my bag, make sure it's nice and straight. All right. I'll take my parchment paper and just load this into the heat press. All right, and into the press again, 340 degrees for 30 seconds. So since this bag is a little bit thicker than the other canvas bag, I'm actually going to wait a little bit longer to peel away the one-step paper, since the heat really absorbs into this bag. So I'm just going to wait a little bit longer than 8 seconds to peel this away. It was about 10-15 seconds. And we're just going to simply peel this away. Beautiful. All right. That looks great. So one more thing, we're going to do our finishing press. Get my parchment again. Load it up on there. And again, just for 15 to 20 seconds is all you need. All right, let's open the press, carefully remove our parchment paper, and take off our bag. All right, so let's take a closer look at our two canvas bags. They look amazing. The colors are so vibrant. And these were both created using our new Easy Peel one-step paper, which you can find on colemanandcompany.com. If you're interested in the system, the Digital HeatFX system, and any one of our 3 transfer printers, you can visit DigitalHeatFX.com and get some more information and talk to an expert. Or if you are a current customer of ours and you're having some technical issues and you need to speak with a technician, you can visit support.coldesi.com and open up a ticket, and one of our DFX experts would be more than happy to help you. So thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we wish you much success in your DFX journey. Thanks for joining me.